guys, welcome to the how-to channel. As you can see, this right here can be a big problem for a kid's working desk. We want to fix this. This side frame right here was connected with just one wooden and two metal pins from the side, and as you can see, this connection is not holding. Now, because we want to use this desk, it is much better to fix this side frame with some permanent solution so we can avoid any possible accidents in the future. I will show you two possible solutions that you can implement. There is no need to throw them away or to call a handyman. These solutions you can do it by yourself in your home. Actually, in one recent video, I have done different solution for my computer desk, and you can check out that video in this link in the corner. The first solution is to drill two new holes in this side frame and to fix side frame and back frame with threads. We are drilling these holes so it will be easier and more accurate for us to fix these threads in the middle of the back frame. One great tip that I have for you right here is you can already define the final depth of this thread in this back frame right here. Just align your drill machine with this back frame and then take out this drill bit to be as deep as you want it. For example, something like this will give you a good strength, and then once you drill a hole this deep, it will be much easier to screw a long thread into this already pre-drilled hole. And because you have this defined depth of the thread, it is easier to choose which screw you are going to use. So basically this one would be too long, but we have this one which will be just enough. I will use my hammer BOSCH drill machine to tighten these screws. I know it's usually how you don't do it, but it's easier than to do it by your hand. This is now as solid as it gets. Once the threads are in, we will go to our second solution, in which we will insert a metal corners that will help to reinforce the stability of this desk. Because this middle part is the most unstable one, we will place 4 metal corners on these 4 positions. Watch out for screw length, because you don't want your screws to come out to the other side. Just fix these 4 corners as tight as possible and they will prevent your desk from rocking. Now we have a double security for this table. We have these metal corners from the inside and we have these screws from the outside. There you have it, guys. These metal corners for sure made me sweat a little bit. But we got it done. These were two very effective solutions that you can implement by yourself very easy. And if you want to see what is the third solution for these kinds of problems, check out this video next. And if you have found any value in this video, please hit that like button so that this video can spread to more people, so it can help more people. Thank you guys, and I will see you in the next one.